Everybody take a jump, take a jump, take a jump up now. Start a wave, start a wave, start a wave up now. Start a wine, start a wine, start a wine up now, because it's Carnival.
Hey YouTube, welcome to Let's Try and See with Dina B. And today I wanted to show you how I got this beautiful Carnival inspired makeup look. And if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, don't forget to stay tuned. Okay, so I'm coming with a pre-beat already. I already got my brows on, I already got my makeup on, my base on, and I have my powder to catch my fallout. We're gonna be working with the two Juvia's Place palettes, the Zulu palette and the Warrior palette. And yeah, let's get right into this. Okay, so the first thing you see me doing here is I'm grabbing the dark brown shade out of the Warrior palette, and I am going in with a fluffy blending brush, and I am creating basically a smoky eye. That's where we're gonna start. We're gonna start with the smoky eye, and we're gonna blend it out to the best of our ability. As you can see, I'm not taking it up too high on my brow bone or anything like that. I'm just keeping it concentrated right there in that area. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and I'm blending it out to the best of my ability, and I'm making sure that you can see it. I have a mirror in front of me. If you notice, I'm kind of looking crazy in the forward direction. That's what I'm doing. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my crease with the LA Pro Conceal in the color Fawn, and I'm cutting my crease. I'm not being super neat about it or anything like that, but I'm just taking my time and make sure I do it on both eyes. I noticed right here that my that the powder that I was putting on my eyes was kind of like flaking off a little bit, so I just kind of reapplied there, and that's what you see me doing there. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is grab our Zulu palette, and we're gonna go and grab this shimmery teal color, and we're gonna put it on the lids. And as you can see, I'm packing it down. I'm not really smearing it. I am packing it in there so that we can get the most color payoff. But this color was gonna show anyway because, you know, Juvia's Place palettes are bomb. But I'm making sure I'm packing it on my lid on both eyes really, really well. And then the next thing we're gonna do in that same Juvia's Place Zulu palette, we're gonna grab that hot pink. And the one thing I do regret is not wetting my brush. I should have wet my brush to make that pink stand out a little more. So ladies, if you are recreating this look, make sure you wet your brush so that it shows up a little better. Don't be like me. I mean, it did pop anyway. It did look good, but you know, you want it to be like, bam, you know what I'm saying? So wet your brush, girl. It's better wetter. So I'm just making sure I blend everything out really, really good as far as that pink is concerned, because like I said, I want it to kind of pop. So I'm making sure I pack it in and blend it in to the best of my abilities. And now the next thing we're gonna do after we get done with the pink is we're gonna try to use this white pencil. I think it's from NYX. I'm not sure what color that is, but it's a white, very thick, creamy pencil, because we're gonna make this yellow jump out. So we're gonna put that white down first. It's a big pencil too, just so you know. And then I'm gonna grab a thick packing brush, and then I'm gonna dig into this yellow matte shade. It's very like golden yellow. Don't dig, just like, you know, pat. Tripping. And you see how that is popping against my skin? Yes, I really, really liked it. But like I said, it's a matte yellow. It's really, really pretty. And so I was blending it out, and then I went ahead and drugged the color under my bottom lash line, and I did that for the other colors too. I grabbed some green and I grabbed the other pink, and I kind of dragged it across. So that's what you see me doing there. yeah. So next I just grabbed a clean brush and I just kind of tried to blend those shades a little better just so that they weren't too harsh. Next I am grabbing my my liner and I'm going to try to line through. Now I struggled a little bit because I had already had so much eyeshadow on, so my liner kind of quit in the middle, so you will see me a little later adding liquid liner. So that's what you see me struggling with, my liner. And then I think the next thing I'm going to do is grab my mascara, which is Caution mascara, which is the bomb. And then I'm going to put that on both my upper lashes and lower lashes. And don't forget to make this face, ladies, because if you don't make the face, you're not putting your mascara on right. I'm just saying. It's in the handbook and it's on the directions. So we're just making sure them lashes are fully coated. Okay. And then the next thing we're gonna do is take that powder off my face, all that extra powder. Now remember, powder removes powder, so I'm using like a face powder here from Black Radiance in a color Cafe to dust that off. And then I'm going back into my Warrior palette, and you see this shimmery gold, yellowy gold color? I am going to pack it right on top of that matte yellow just to make that say buzzing. Yeah, because I needed some buzzing, okay? But yeah, I really like it. I was feeling myself. These are my favorite lashes from Lash Pop. So that's what you see me speeding through because I suck at putting lashes on. So I'm gonna just fast forward through that. And then, but yeah, Lash Pop lashes in the color Sin Nudes. They are bomb, but don't buy them off because I need some more, okay? Do not buy them all. So yeah, I'm just going to struggle. Yeah, I'm kidding. Struggle through putting these lashes on. So I'm just taking my time. It actually took me an absolute long time. I'm fast forwarding through these lashes, but you see how excited I am once I got them boys on. Like, it's the little things, y'all. It's the little things. But yeah, once I got my lashes on, I went back with my liquid liner and kind of like fixed up my liner a little bit. I don't know why I stopped wearing liquid liner. Oh yeah, I had some type of reaction to it, but I'm good now. So yeah, I'm just adjusting and adjusting and adjusting. Now, crazy thing is these lashes are too long, but I absolutely refuse to cut them because I absolutely love how flared out they are. And then just a hack, you're gonna see me with my liner kind of like going over the lashes because they were dirty, so they had like old glue on them. So what I did was I grabbed my liquid liner and I went over my lashes and basically covered over the old glue. That's what you see me doing there. Life hack to just like hide that until I can wash them later. And yes, you can wash your lashes gently, very gently. So once I got my liner together and got my life together, it was time for lipstick, y'all. So I know that the lipstick I used was a Ruby Kisses, but the actual color was completely rubbed off. So I just found like a bright pinkish color to use, and yeah, that's what I will be doing in a few seconds because I just took 100 years to put them damn lashes on, like I always warn y'all. But y'all want to see me put these lashes on. But yeah, you see how bright pink this lipstick is? It's not even a bubblegum pink because it's like a black girl pink, but it's still pink as hell, and I love it. But I do go in with a brown liner just to basically, you know, clean up my lips a little bit with a little brown liner. So that's what you see me there, kind of doing like an ombre kind of action going. And then after that, I use this lip gloss called Mother Pucker. Yeah, you like how I said that? Yeah, Mother Pucker. And I kind of love this lip gloss. Like, I low-key love it. So yeah, so now I'm going to put on my costume.